Welcome to 35 Hoadley Street, Naugatuck, Connecticut. We are in this beautiful home. This is the living room. This is the first room. As you can see, fully bright and spacious. The closet looks very clean and well maintained. Windows are modern and letting great natural light. Everything is super clean. This is the bathroom. The flooring is done very nicely with a clean finish. It's super clean, well maintained, and everything functions perfectly. Alright, passing the living room, we have the dining room and the kitchen. The kitchen is super clean, nice, and fully functional. The window is absolutely stunning, bringing in great light. All these are cabinets, so much storage, plenty of space, great for a large household. These additional cabinets are nicely finished as well, water sink. And then we have a gas stove over here. Very modern, very stylish. Alright, let's lock the door. Perfect. And you get a pretty big closet over here. Again, plenty of storage and plenty of space to keep your belongings organized. Okay, now this place leads down to the basement. This is the basement. The great thing about this basement that I love is that it's super clean, it's new and updated, it's very functional. It's not like the other places that feel outdated or have lack of ventilation. This is very spacious, open basement, and again, very clean. Also, multiple storage areas are over here, safety first of course. Everything is nicely done and well maintained. Again, it's 35 Hoadley Street, Naugatuck, Connecticut. You can call us directly at 203-900-4468. See you in the next one.